Welcome back to the channel. If you love travel, thrilling adventures, and unforgettable destinations, you're in the right place. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to bring you more amazing travel guides from around the world. Today, we're taking you to one of Japan's most thrilling destinations, the famous amusement park located at the base of Mount Fuji, Fuji-Q Highland. This park is legendary for record-breaking roller coasters, breathtaking views of Mount Fuji, and a mix of extreme rides, family attractions, anime zones, and haunted experiences. Whether you're a hardcore thrill seeker or traveling with kids, Fuji-Q Highland has something unforgettable waiting for you. Fuji-Q Highland is located in Yamanashi Prefecture, directly at the northern base of Mount Fuji. On clear days, the mountain towers dramatically behind the rides, creating one of the most scenic amusement park backdrops in the world. How to get there from Tokyo. Direct highway buses from Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Tokyo Station, about 1 hour 45 minutes. Train via JR Chuo Line to Otsuki, then Fuji-Q Railway to Fuji-Q Highland Station by car. About 90 minutes from central Tokyo via the Chuo Expressway, paid parking available on site. The park entrance is free, which is unique. You only pay for rides or purchase an unlimited pass. Fuji-Q Highland is divided into several themed zones: Extreme Ride Zone, Family and Kids Area, Anime and Character Zones, Haunted Attractions, Restaurants and Shopping Areas, Ticket Options, Free Entry, Walk around, eat, shop, and enjoy views. Individual ride tickets, pay per ride. Unlimited ride. Pass, best value for thrill seekers. Pro tip, buy tickets online in advance to skip lines. The Big Four, world-famous roller coasters. Fujiyama, king of coasters. Fujiyama is one of Japan's most iconic roller coasters and a symbol of Fuji-Q Highland itself. Height, 79 meters. Top speed, 130 km/h, 81 mph. Length, over 2 kilometers ride. Style, traditional hypercoaster. As the train climbs slowly upward, riders are treated to breathtaking views of Mount Fuji. Then comes the massive first drop. Long, steep, and exhilarating. Fujiyama focuses on speed, airtime, and scale, delivering a classic roller coaster experience that feels powerful and timeless. This ride is intense but smooth, making it perfect for riders who want thrill without extreme inversions. Eejanaika, the 4D coaster. Eejanaika is not just a coaster, it's a full-body experience. Seats rotate 360 degrees independently. Multiple flips and unexpected rotations. One of the highest number of inversions in the world. You don't just ride Eejanaika, you are thrown into it. Seats spin unpredictably, flipping riders head over heels while the track twists and dives. Every ride feels different depending on seat rotation. This is not recommended for those sensitive to motion sickness, but adrenaline lovers consider it one of the best roller coasters on Earth. Takabisha, the steepest drop. Takabisha holds the record for one of the steepest roller coaster drops in the world. Drop angle, 121 degrees vertical lift hill, launch section beyond vertical free fall. After a dramatic vertical climb, the train pauses at the top, just long enough to build suspense, before plunging straight down beyond vertical. Riders describe a feeling of complete weightlessness and disbelief. Takabisha is intense, fast, and unforgettable. Zokkon, family-friendly thrill. Zokkon is newer and more accessible. Smooth launches, fun twists and turns, great for teens and beginners. This ride balances excitement with comfort, making it perfect for guests who want thrills without extreme fear. Super scary Labyrinth of Fear. This is one of the longest haunted houses in the world. Walkthrough experience. Live actors, extremely realistic hospital theme, takes up to 50 minutes to complete. This attraction is terrifying, immersive, and not for young children or faint-hearted guests. Thomas Land, a colorful area dedicated to Thomas the Tank Engine, perfect for toddlers and young children. Gentle rides, small coasters, carousels, interactive attractions, anime-themed rides. Parents can relax while kids enjoy safe, age-appropriate fun. Fuji-Q Highland offers Japanese curry ramen shops, burgers and fries, snacks, crepes, and desserts. Many restaurants have outdoor seating with Mount Fuji views, making meal breaks feel special. Shops sell ride merchandise, anime collectibles, Fuji-Q exclusive souvenirs. Best time, spring and fall. Best weather and views. Early morning, shorter lines. Weekdays, less crowded than weekends. Tips: dress in layers. Weather changes fast. Secure loose items before rides. Check Mount Fuji visibility forecasts. Use lockers for bags. Fuji-Q Highland is more than just an amusement park. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience where thrill rides meet natural beauty. With Mount Fuji watching over every scream, laugh, and memory, this park truly stands apart from anywhere else in the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone planning a trip to Japan. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.